Okay.
Okay, then 0 actually, so what Shamin was asking, how to divide 0. When you divide 0, it is 0 remainder 0 means 0 0. When you divide 1, it is 0 remainder 1 means 0 1. When you divide 2, it is 1 remainder 0. 1 remainder 0 0 1 remainder 0 1 0. This one. When you divide 3, it is 1 remainder 1. You can write like 1 1 0 1 1. 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 remainder 0. Again you have to divide. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 remainder 0. So when you take the number, it's 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So this one is 1 0 0. This one is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 remainder 0. 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. It is 1 1 0. Then you'll get 7 divided by 2. It is 3 remainder 1. Then 3 remainder divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. So answer is 1 1 1. Understood or not?
Okay, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. If not, again let me know.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Right. Anyway, so there's something. So when you divide by 2, it might sometimes it's difficult. Some people, some student might feel difficult. That's nature, because your brain will either work mathematically, or the second thing is your brain will work according to patterns. So when you born, so sometimes most rarely you get both skills, pattern and mathematical skills. But normally one skill is, so you have one prioritized skill. Some are mathematically good, some brains are mathematically good, some brains are pattern or design wise good. That's why we have two subject schemes like art and maths, or art and science. These art people, they are good at designing. They can draw, design, write. They can write nicely. But these mathematical people, so when they can calculate, but their artistic skills are quite low. But rarely, some people have both skills. එතකොට මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්නම් මේක මේ art වලින් හදන හැටි, maths වලින් හදන්නේ නැතුව. So take one column. This column I'm going to highlight in yellow color. Is there a pattern? Is there any artistic pattern?
Yes.
What is
Yes.
that?
0 1 0 1 0
0.
Okay, you can recognize that. That is not a big art, so you can also do that. ලොකු art එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඉතින් මේ pattern එක අඳින්න පුළුවන් ඕන කෙනෙකුට. Then next one.
Yes, there's also
0 0 1 1 0 0 1.
Yes, it's doubling. Doubling means first time you got 0 1 0 1. Now you have double 0 double 1 double 0 double 1. So next one again doubling. Next one again.
0 0 0 1.
You have 4 zeros and 4 ones. Again this
Yeah.
1 0 2 0 4 0 1 2 4. It's doubling. So this is the easiest way to calculate these numbers. That is the easiest way. Even if you have this other one is the hexadecimal table. If you want to draw hexadecimal table, no need to calculate. What you can do is you can increase this by 1 left side, and then just merge this, and this is hexa now. hear a big noise. Yeah, that's a big noise, sorry. So please turn off the microphones, okay? I think you can hear, no?
Yeah, can hear, sir.
Right, right. In case if you cannot hear, let me know, because I think so some cities there are heavy rains, and these are rainy days, so some students are not joining due to that. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, and 15. I'm going to repeat the pattern. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0, 1. Then here, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here 4 zeros, 4 ones, again 4 zeros, 4 ones. So what should be the pattern here?
8 zeros,
8 zeros, 1 8.
5 zeros,
Sorry.
8 zeros, 8 ones.
8 zeros and 8 ones. Yes, correct. And so you can check this. Actually, you can check this. So similar to this method, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to check this, verify this, whether this is correct or wrong. Even though patterns are there, we have to always check this mathematically. Well, I'm going to take this one, B. B means 11. B means 11. 11 divided by 2. What is the value? 5. Remainder is 1. 11 divided by 2 is 5, remainder 1. Then 5 divided by 2. What is the value?
2.
Remainder 1.
Remainder
2
1.
remainder 1.
Yes, 2 remainder 1. Again, 2 divided by 2. What is the value? It
1.
is
1 remainder 0.
0.
Remainder 0.
1 remainder 0.
0.
So now you can check from bottom to top. Take from bottom to top. 1 0 1 1. It is 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1. Here you have 2 ones. So it's like this. 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1. This is B. B is 1 0 1 1. Correct, no? So you can check some other. So let's divide.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can divide 15. 15 means F. 15 divided by 5 is 7 remainder 1. 7 divided by 15 divided by 2 is 7 remainder 1. 7 divided by 2 is 3 remainder 1.
Remainder 1.
Yeah. 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1.
Remainder
So
1.
it is 1 1 1 1. So which is F. This one. Now you can see it's correct way. Easy and correct way. So you can write down this as well. Please write down this in your book. Okay, let's move to the actual part. So when you get a binary like this, okay, let's take a binary like this. Let's write down it here. And another binary, this one also, I'm going to take this and write this here. So converting binary to octal, it's very easy. Binary to octal is very easy. Why? What you have to do is you have to separate these two groups of tree. Here this is group of tree and this is group of tree. Here also group of tree. And if you don't have group of tree, what you have to do is you have to add zeros to the beginning. Then you have three groups now. Group of tree again, and group of tree. So that's the only thing that you have to do. Then you have to write down according to the table. In table, 1 1 1 is 7. 0 1 1 is 3. So octal value is 73. So this is the easiest way to find out the octal value of any number. Refer to,
I didn't get that.
what is 1 1 1 in this table?
7.
What is 0 1 1 in this table? 0 1 1
3.
3. So octal value is 73. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Second one, 0 0 1. 0 0 1 is
1.
1. Then triple zero. Triple zero means
0.
then you have 0 double 1.
3.
That is octal value of this. Okay, now you can teach to O-level students even, right? Because this is in O-levels basically. Why I have given this? Because to show you the actual picture. So why computers like this octal and hexadecimal much? Because this lengthy binary number can be shortened. This lengthy binary, make a දිගයි නේ. ඒක කෙටි කරලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Similar to this, you can write hexadecimals. Similar to this, you can write hexadecimals. If you have this table and you have binaries, divide into 4 by 4. Take 4. This is, let's highlight this 4. Let's take this 4. And the next 4 is with double zeros. Now you can tell me the value. Here also, this 4, let's highlight this 4. And next 4 is with 1 0. This is, let's highlight in green color, and let's highlight this 4 in some other color. Okay, now you can tell me the value. This one, what is the hexadecimal value? It's 00 11 1011. Refer to the table and give the answer. 0011 is
3B.
3.
it's 3, and next one is B. It is hexadecimal value. 3B. Next one.
4.
4. 4. Next 4. 0011.
3.
3. 4 3 in hexadecimal. It's okay if you have not understood that. That's totally okay, because that is not in your level, right? That's why I told you, if you can understand, that is really better, because then you are suitable for one level better than you, that is all levels, right? If you cannot understand, don't worry, you don't have this in your syllabus, right? But only thing is, it's small thing. So what you have to realize, it is very small thing. If you learn carefully, so that's why this is the shortening system. So that's why in Photoshop, when I select a pixel and copy the hexa code, that's why I got a code like this. But actually 4 is 0 1 0 0, 6 is 0 1 1 0, 8 is 1 0 0 0, 1 is 0 0 0 1, 4 is 0 1 0 0, and 9 is 1 0 0. So I'm referring to the table. I'm referring to the table. I can remember the figures now, but I know you cannot remember that. But this is the hexa number. This hexa, you can write it easily in binary. Without dividing, without multiplying, you can convert. That's why computers like hexadecimal. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's okay if you have not understood that. It's totally okay. I said that this is extra. So if you can go extra mile, that's totally your skill. But if you cannot go, don't worry. Still, you are in grade 8. Don't worry. So you can do this. මේක කරන්නම ඕන නෑ. මේක කරන්න බැරි වුණාට කමක් නෑ. හරි. මම නිකන් වැඩිපුර දෙයක් කියලා දුන්නා. Okay, next day we'll meet with the next lesson. So we can start lesson number 2 next day. Then thank you very much and good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Everyone,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.